You know that moment when a prototype feels flat because every action has no juice? Particle Mega Pack fixes that instantly. This is pure weekend project fuel. The real win is the prefab heavy workflow. You drag one effect into the scene, tweak the color and scale, and suddenly shooting, exploding, and power-up moments all feel alive. Perfect for game jams when you need impact in seconds. It also covers a huge mood range, so one pack can serve fire, magic, sparks, smoke, and glowing trails. You will not need a second effects package muddying your project. With a 5-star average across 291 ratings, this is one of the most trusted effect libraries on the store. Just be careful spawning hundreds of these at once. The GPU can choke. Use object pooling or cap particle counts, and you are golden. At $9, that works out to pennies per effect. Drop one in and your prototype instantly feels expensive. Spot these deals yourself at mightyassetdeals.com. Filter by top-tier assets, sort by dollars saved, see price history. Deep dive any asset to read an AI summary of all reviews, see comparable assets, and more. What are the top 500 free assets right now? And a curated list of the top-tier assets in the Unity Asset Store. All updated daily with many new features to come. Go check it out today. Flat green blobs are the fastest way to kill a nature scene. Advanced Foliage Shader makes trees and grass feel alive without hand animating a single leaf. The shader handles wind response across multiple layers, so your forest sways like it is actually breathing. You can tune direction, strength, and leaf response to match your scene's art direction in minutes. It is also built for workflow speed. Drop it onto your existing foliage materials, adjust the main sliders, and the whole environment immediately reads as higher quality. No texture reauthoring. 257 developers give this a solid 4 stars, and the reviews highlight reliable wind and color variation for nature scenes. It takes a little shader tinkering to get the exact look you want. Start from the included scene and copy those settings. Quick workaround. For $10, you skip hours of hand modeling sway and break up that flat green monotony. Huge time saver. Transparent materials are usually a pain to get right. Filter&Transparent Kit Pro turns that struggle into a clean collection of filters and glass-like shaders. You get proper distortion and transparency for screens, glass, water, and holograms, all with simple blend modes. That means holographic interfaces and shop windows can be set up in minutes, not afternoons. The kit also includes color filters and post-style overlays so you can match the look of your whole scene without juggling a dozen shader graphs. It is a clean drop-in for prototypes. Perfect 5-star score from 163 people. Buyers say the presets look good immediately and make transparent props feel finished. It is transparent material focused, so for fully opaque surfaces you will ignore a good chunk. Just keep it in your glassy props and UI elements. At $15, a freelancer would charge 10 times that for one custom glass shader. This kit is the cheat code. Camera colors can make or break a demo. Mobile post-processing profiles gives you instant mood adjustments on the phone without eating your frame rate. These profiles are tuned for mobile, so you get bloom, vignette, grain, and color grading that are already optimized for battery and heat. You just attach them to your camera and swap presets while playtesting. It is a huge time saver when you need a stylized look for a jam. Instead of building a post stack from zero, you have a slider-ready palette that stays consistent across scenes. 125 ratings and a perfect 5-star streak. Devs love the consistency and the fact that it does not nuke performance. The profiles are designed for mobile first, so on a high-end desktop they can feel a bit subtle. Crank the intensity up for PC builds. $4.99 is less than the late fee on your last parking ticket. Your camera deserves this. When a prototype needs explosions, smoke, or fog, you do not have time to make every effect from scratch. Fire and FOG MEGABundle drops over 600 tools into your lap. 634 effects means you will never stop at good enough again. Fireballs, smoke plumes, magical fog, and embers are already sorted, so you can mix and match to create the exact mood your level needs. Volume without clutter is the gift here. The effects are organized and recognizable, so you can search smoke and find multiple variations instead of digging through gray blobs. A 5-star average with 91 ratings, and the chatter is all about the sheer variety beating single effect packs. With that many effects, your project folder can get messy fast. Keep the ones you use in a separate favorites folder, and you will stay sane. $10 for 6 and 34 effects is business ROI if you ship even one client or jam project with them. It pays for itself instantly. What if a single button turned your whole scene into a winter landscape? Global Snow 2 does exactly that, and it is perfect when you need a cold level by tonight. It covers every mesh in the scene with snow dynamically, so characters, mountains, and props all react to the same weather system. You also get melting control, which gives you a frozen to wet transition that is lovely for gameplay. The setup is fast enough for a jam. You add a single component, tweak the coverage and slope, and run. You can even exclude zones where you want to keep the ground clear. 58 ratings and a flawless 5 stars. The community says this is the closest thing to a snow machine you can get without a custom shader. Because it is global, a few custom materials might not take the snow exactly how you want. Use the included area exclusions to protect hero props. Today, it is $12, which is a treat-yourself shortcut after hours of manual white texture painting. The fastest way to make characters feel plastic is flat lighting. Subsurface scattering shader makes skin, leaves, and wax glow from within, and that warmth changes everything. Light truly bleeds through thin material, which is the secret to lifelike ears, hands, and foliage. You can fake that expensive blockbuster look with one material slot swap. The shader is simple to tune: amount, color, and power. That makes it a great sandbox tool when you want to see how far you can push a stylized look. 78 ratings and a clean 5-star average. Reviews call it an easy way to upgrade character renders without rebuilding your pipeline. It is a specialized shader, so you will want to pair it with good lighting to see the effect. Put a light behind the object and tweak from there. At $10, you skip the pain of faking translucency with emissive tricks, a tiny price for a huge polish win. Every action game prototype needs impact, and nothing sells pain like good blood. Pseudo-Volume blood effects packs a punch without requiring a physics simulation setup. The effects look chunky and three-dimensional because they use layered pseudo-volume tricks. That means thick splashes and pools that read well from camera distance, perfect for combat feedback. They are modular, so you can layer small and large splats to build custom gore. For a game jam, this saves you from a week of particle tuning. 78 people rate it 5 stars, with comments about it being a dependable go-to for violent prototypes and horror levels. It is pseudo-volume, not true fluid simulation, so extreme close-ups can expose the trick. Add a thin decal layer on top for hero moments. $15 is less than a late-night pizza run, and your combat feedback will thank you. Have you ever seen a leaf disappear when the camera rotates behind it? Double-sided standard mobile legacy shaders fixes that for a ton of common use cases. It lets you render the inside and outside of geometry with standard mobile-friendly materials. Trees, papers, signs, and walls stay solid from every angle, and that is a massive quality-of-life win for exploration games. The shaders are lightweight, so mobile builds stay smooth at a time when performance matters most. You just swap your material to a double-sided version and move on. 74 ratings and a 5-star score, with people saying it solves an annoying problem in a clean, no-frills way. These are legacy shaders, so they will not work out of the box in URP or HDRP. If you're on built-in render pipeline, great, otherwise convert them. $10 is a tiny fee to avoid rebuilding your whole forest with custom materials. One click and those double-sided leaves just work. Finally, the game itself. Low Poly Strategy Prototyper gives you a ready-made world to test base building, unit movement, and resource flow from minute one. It comes with a full low poly environment and strategy-style building blocks, so you can block out a level and script your mechanics immediately. You get the layout and let the gameplay ideas flood in. The art style is cohesive, which is rare for a prototype kit. That means your placeholder gray box phase is over. You can show a playable demo today that actually looks like a game. 69 reviews keep it at a perfect 5 stars, and the feedback highlights how easy it is to replace the meshes later with final art. This is a prototyping toolkit, not a polished full release. Expect clean, low-poly art, but the fun and balancing are still your job. At $14.99, if one client project uses it, you have paid it off 100 times over. That is the kind of buy you can justify before lunch. That is all for today. Do not forget to check out more deals right now on mightyassetdeals.com.